Far to the north, where the land meets the sky, a realm of breathtaking beauty awaits. This is Norway. Imagine towering cliffs plunging into deep blue fjords, their waters reflecting the snow-capped peaks above. Prepare yourself for an unforgettable journey as we explore the wonders of Norway. Our journey begins in Oslo, Norway's capital, a city where the past and future exist in perfect harmony. Nestled between the Oslo Fjord and lush green hills, Oslo offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. Here, Viking longboats, once used for raiding and exploration, now rest in museums. Silent witnesses to a bygone era, these ancient vessels tell stories of adventure and conquest, connecting us to a time when the seas were the highways of the world. Explore the historic Akershus fortress, its imposing stone walls standing tall for over 700 years. This medieval castle has withstood the test of time, offering panoramic views of the city and the fjord. Experience the breathtaking Oslo Opera House, its sleek white exterior rising like an iceberg from the fjord. This architectural marvel is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a cultural hub for music and the arts. Step inside and be captivated by its soaring spaces and world-class acoustics. The interior is designed to enhance every performance, making each visit a memorable experience, and no visit to Oslo would be complete without a pilgrimage to the Munch Museum, home to the haunting beauty of the scream. This museum celebrates the life and work of Edvard Munch, one of Norway's most famous artists. But Oslo is more than just museums and monuments. It's a city alive, with vibrant street life, bustling markets and cozy cafes where you can relax and watch the world go by. It's a city pulsing with life, a place where ancient history meets modern innovation. The architecture here is a fascinating blend of old and new, reflecting Oslo's dynamic spirit. Take a moment to embrace the Nordic way of life, whether it's a leisurely stroll along the fjord or enjoying outdoor activities in one of the many parks. Oslo invites you to experience its unique charm. Our journey now takes us south to Norway's rugged western coast where, nestled amidst a tapestry of mountains and sea, lies Bergen, the gateway to the fjords. This picturesque city is surrounded by 7 mountains and is known for its stunning natural beauty. Bergen is a city of contrasts where colorful wooden houses cling to the hillsides, their reflections dancing in the waters of the harbor. The vibrant hues of these houses create a striking contrast against the deep blue of the sea and the lush green of the surrounding mountains. Stroll through Brigand, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that once stood at the heart of the Hanseatic trading empire. These historic wooden buildings with their narrow alleyways and cobblestone streets tell tales of a bygone era. Today they house shops, restaurants and museums, offering a glimpse into Bergen's rich maritime past. Here you can explore maritime artifacts and learn about the city's seafaring history. No visit to Bergen is complete without a visit to the bustling fish market, a sensory feast that assaults the nostrils with the tang of the sea. The market is a lively hub where locals and tourists alike gather to sample the freshest seafood sample, the local delicacy freshly caught salmon cooked to perfection over an open fire. The rich, smoky flavor of the salmon is a true taste of Bergen, and for a view that will take your breath away, ride the Fløybenen funicular to the top of Mount Fløyen. This scenic ride offers a unique perspective of the city. As you ascend from this vantage point, the true majesty of the surrounding landscape is revealed, a breathtaking panorama of mountains, fjords and sea. The view from Mount Fløyen is a perfect way to appreciate the natural splendor that makes Bergen so special. And now we venture into the very heart of Norway. Say, the fjords. These ancient valleys, carved by glaciers over millennia, stand as silent testament to the awesome power of nature. Geirangerfjord. Perhaps the most breathtaking of them all is a symphony in blue and green. Here waterfalls cascade from dizzying heights, their mist weaving through the air like whispers of the past. Among them, the 7 Sisters stand out, a series of waterfalls plunging down the cliff face. Further south lies Sognefjord, the king of the fjords, stretching over 200 kilometers inland. For those seeking adventure, Rekastone awaits, known as Pulpit Rock, offering unparalleled views of the surrounding landscape. The fjords are more than just breathtaking scenery. They are the lifeblood of Norway. Chapter 4. Lofoten Islands. Arctic Beauty. Our journey now takes us north, far above the Arctic Circle to a land where the sun barely sets in summer and the northern lights dance across the winter sky. Here, rising dramatically from the Norwegian Sea, lie the Lofoten Islands, a chain of rugged peaks. These islands are a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of the Arctic. Here, fishing villages cling precariously to the shoreline, their brightly colored houses of stark contrast to the dramatic landscape. The Lofoten Islands are a paradise for nature. Lovers and adventurers alike kayak through pristine waters. Their surface as smooth as glass, reflecting the dramatic scenery. Visit a traditional fishing village and experience the warmth of the local people. Chapter 5. Troms, Arctic Adventures and the Northern Lights. Our journey culminates in Troms, Norway's Arctic capital, a city that lies nestled beneath the Aurora Oval. Here, in this realm of snow and ice, a magical phenomenon illuminates the night sky. Troms is a city of contrast where modern architecture sits comfortably alongside traditional wooden buildings. When darkness falls, look up, for if you are lucky, you will witness nature's greatest show, the Aurora Borealis. While in Troms, take the opportunity to learn about the indigenous Sami people who have called this region home for centuries. Chapter 6. The Atlantic Road, the world's most scenic drive. Our Norwegian adventure concludes with a journey along a road. Unlike any other, the Atlantic Road, this stretch of highway is not just a means of getting from one place to another. It's a destination in itself, offering unparalleled views and experiences. This marvel of engineering, often described as the world's most scenic drive, snakes its way across a series of islands and scarier. Each twist and turn reveals a new vista, making every moment on this road a visual feast. Imagine driving along a ribbon of asphalt that appears to disappear into the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. The sensation is both thrilling and surreal, as if you are driving into the horizon. Feel the spray of the sea on your face as you cross bridges that arch gracefully over the water. These bridges are not just functional. They are works of art that blend seamlessly with the natural beauty around them. The road itself is a masterpiece, but it's the surrounding scenery that truly takes your breath away. From rugged cliffs to serene waters, the landscape is a constantly changing canvas. Rugged coastline gives way to sheltered bays where fishing boats bob gently on the water. These tranquil scenes offer a stark contrast to the dramatic ocean views, adding to the road's unique charm. Whether you are an adrenaline junkie or simply a lover of breathtaking scenery, the Atlantic Road is an experience not to be missed. It's a journey that stays with you long after you've left a memory etched in the mind forever. From its vibrant cities to its untamed wilderness, Norway is a land of wonders waiting to be explored, a place where nature's beauty knows no bounds and where adventure is always just around the corner. We've witnessed the dramatic fjords, their waters reflecting the snow-capped peaks above, and we've stood in or beneath the northern lights, their ethereal glow illuminating the night sky. So pack your bags, set your spirit free and come. Discover the magic of